What's up, you guys? New camera lens. I don't know if you can tell. Honestly, it's a little bit underwhelming. This is supposed to be a disposable camera lens repurposed for a digital camera. It looks like an Oreo. I'm not sure if I'm convinced. I'm gonna have to check it out in editing, but I got a new fixation, a new hobby, and it's ordering custom printed stuff on Canva. So I got these custom notepads with the community logo, my name. I got some of those. I've already ordered stickers, but I ordered something else. This one's a little bigger, and to open it, I will be using a steak knife that has my last name. If you're looking for a gift to give someone, steak knife with their last name on it. Taste of Texas Steakhouse in Houston. They do that for people. See, this lens is too close, man. Wow. Oh. This took like 2 days to get here. I found this image on Twitter and I was like, that would be cool as something on my wall. So I put it in Canva. Actually, I used AI to take out some shadows, put it in Canva, and now we have a yellow Porsche caliper. It's a mock of a famous piece of art that was sold for an insane amount of money. It was a banana duct tape to a canvas. I gotta find somewhere to put this. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I haven't filmed all that much. I kind of went on a sprint last week with the whole event stuff and a little sleepy. But today, Saturday, I'm gonna head out west to a coffee shop, meet Joe. Joe is the guy that you've maybe seen on a previous video. And we're gonna do a full length sit down interview on how he scaled up from 0 to 10K per month beyond, now owns a software company that does 25K MRR in like 4 or 5 months time. And he's a sales manager of a YC-backed company, all at 20 years old, and joined our community about 2 years ago. So that's what's in store. Let's get it. After we film this interview, I got a 10-mile run. So we're gonna do a little 2 bird, 1 stone action. And that's all I got. But how do y'all like the new painting? I think it kind of ties things together. This is not my normal camera position. I just got the camera on the tripod on the desk. But we're usually a little bit back more. I've had this rolled up next to me the whole time I've lived here and never put it up. Like a cool print kind of thing. Just never put it up, so maybe I find a spot for that, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go talk to Joe. Proof that we're adulting now. You know you're getting old when you buy a paper shredder, man. That is not some young cat stuff.
You ain't crazy, I'm gonna lie more. What you're feeling is real. Oh, I wanna do right. Oh, gotta do right. Do I love you? Oh, you know I'm trying. What you after can't find in my eyes. I wanna do right.
How to get that boy Joe right. Alright, you guys, we're here with Joe in Austin, Texas. He's a long ways from home. You guys may have seen in a recent video, we did a little impromptu couple questions with Joe, just catching up. But thought since he was here in Austin, let's take the time to really catch up and see what's transpired over the last 2-3 years of you being in the space, being in the community. Broken, what, you said like 10, 12K?
10, 12K, yeah.
Not long ago, you were an 18-year-old with a little bit of sales experience. You were selling like wine?
Yeah, wine software.
Wine software, you guys. You guys don't know, but most Sundays, I'm running a lot of miles and then locking in and editing and getting a video up for you guys. On the way over there, I'm gonna finish this while I'm running. I got water. 10 miles in, we're gonna crank this. When I'm done, another thing of water with some electrolytes, 3 gels, shoes to take off when we're done. That should put us around 44, 45 on the week. Kind of a cool down week after the marathon. And next week we are ramping up. We're gonna be in the 50s. It's gonna be good. See if I can hydrate well enough to get a good YouTube video out to you guys today. Whoa, whoa. Oh, don't bite my mic. Just recorded a little yapping clip because I realized I don't have the footage I need for the Sunday video, and it was filmed in the wrong orientation. Look at this clearance, man. Hold on. You're watching a master at work. Wow, that's incredible. Anyways, I was talking about how Joe, the guy I ran the interview with, half the audio crapped out. As he's evaluating places to settle down, he is looking at Austin as one that is possible. He said mostly because the environment, there's people here actually doing this, man. It's young, it's lively. People are here by choice, not because they were born into it. People where he's from, Wales, it's not the case. Same from where I'm from, San Antonio. You tell someone about this and they never heard of it. They look at you like you got 3 eyes. They think you're crazy. They tell you it's a bad idea. Not a good environment to make this stuff work. I'm gonna run 10. I'm gonna stop back at the car. Check in with you guys. It's a little cold, a little breezy today, but it's same thing with the sub 3 hour marathon, man. If you guys don't know, sub 3 hour marathon's like elite marathon time. And if I was still in the city where people don't do that at all, I would think that's really far-fetched and stupid, right? But now, because I'm around people that do it and it's normal, well, it makes me believe that it's possible. Whatever your goals are, get around people that are already doing it or trying with you, that aren't going to look at you like you got 3 eyes. It's way easier, and it could be offline or online. It could be our community. It could be living in the city. This dude, Jeremy Haynes, he's a marketer, really good. He was talking about after 9/11, I don't know who it was, but they're talking about the concept of unknown unknowns, which is like the biggest threat to anything that you want to do. You don't even know it exists, or you don't even know that you don't know it. If you're not surrounded by people that are doing what you want to do, you don't have access to these people, you are living in a world full of unknown unknowns. And it's going to make it a lot harder to get where you want. If they are known unknowns, much easier to solve the equation. Whatever it is in your life that's important to you, man, you have to minimize the unknown unknowns, or they're going to smoke you. I'm taking top off. I'm going to go run right after because it's a little chilly, and I'll see you guys after 10 miles. What's up, y'all? About 9.5 done. It's time. The real workout is about to start here. First 10 is a warm up. 5 at 8:30, 5 at 8. Get a little caffeine and kick it up a notch. For snacks, we are probably gonna go hardest rock music of all time playlist on Spotify. If you know, you know. 18 on your head. Throw up the split. Thinking some of y'all might see me with 4 drinks and snacks and all this stuff. You might be thinking, do you really need all that? And the answer is no. Like, I wouldn't die if I didn't have all these drinks, but I wouldn't be able to run 7 miles tomorrow. I also ran 10 miles yesterday. I'm gonna go get a smoothie too right now. Then I'm gonna go eat some oatmeal. But it's not about doing it once. It's about being able to do it week in and week out, which is what gets me to a sub 3 hour marathon. And I thought I'd compare that to 10K month and high ticket sales. Sometimes you can get access to things that make certain tasks easier and more sustainable, such as electrolytes or some form of carbs or caffeine. If you know that makes it easier, better, and sustainable, and you're not using them, you're just limiting your own progress. Similar to access to a sales community, access to a network of people doing this, access to jobs every single day inbound on your phone. 1, you won't be able to sustain, but 2, nobody's more impressed if you get there without all that stuff. It's probably going to take you longer. It's a stubborn way of thinking. And if you truly want to sustain, specifically in the remote sales space, you got to know people, man. You got to get to meet people. People need to know that you're good at what you do, so that should you find yourself at rock bottom, find yourself without a job, find yourself with your back against the wall. You're a couple text messages away from bouncing back. Sometimes it's a lesson you got to learn on your own. It's an unfortunate one. The best way to learn the lesson, unfortunately, I can tell you all day long, it's easier with a community, with people, with jobs, with me in your corner, with other people in your corner. Some of y'all, you got to learn that yourself. I think that's this video. And in case it is, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll see y'all in the next one.